and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are making a delicious and healthy tropical smoothie that is just so great on a hot day like today. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to add to my blender is 1 frozen banana. And if you don't have frozen fruit on you today, you can always use fresh. I just recommend adding in some ice. But I do love to have my fruit frozen because it adds a really nice creaminess to your smoothie. Ooh. I also have 1 heaping cup of frozen pineapple going in, along with 1 cup or 1 large mango, and a 4th cup of coconut flakes. And last but not least, your milk. And I have 1.5 cups of coconut milk. You can use milk of your choice on this one, but I really like the flavor of the coconut milk for this smoothie. And here we have our smoothie, and I absolutely love the color of it, and it smells delicious. Now this next step is completely optional, but I like my smoothies to be packed full of protein and really filling, so I'm going to add some chia pudding to the center of my smoothie. And to make my chia pudding, I just took 2 tablespoons of chia seeds along with a 4th cup of almond milk and let it sit in my fridge for about 30 minutes. Here we have our chia seeds, and now I'm going to fill up the rest of my glass with my smoothie. And this smoothie is actually for 2 people or 1 very hungry person. And I always like to garnish a little bit, so I'm going to sprinkle some coconut flakes on top of my smoothie because can you ever really get enough coconut? To me, you can't. And now the best part is actually getting to drink our smoothie. All right, it's time to taste it. That is so delicious. It's so fruity and it's so refreshing because I'm cooking out here today. It's so hot. So this is the perfect drink to have. And also, I'm a little hungry and I'm getting all my fruits and protein that I need in the day. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, I love making healthy smoothies. So if you want to see a few more of my smoothies, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all of my drinks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! And don't forget to stop in next Sunday because we will be posting the most delicious green smoothie.